Are you looking for a video on challenging word problems involving ratio and proportion? Then this video is right for you. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is Rowel Carpio, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present solving challenging word problems involving ratio and proportion. So let us have examples. We have here sample problem 1. The ratio of red, blue, and yellow marbles in a bag is 4:2:3. After removing the red marbles, there are 35 marbles left in the bag. How many red marbles were in the bag? First is for us to represent the number of red, blue, and yellow marbles in the bag through the use of blocks. Based on the problem, the ratio of red is 4 to be represented by 4 blocks, while there are 2 blue marbles to be represented by 2 blocks. While the yellow marbles, there are 3 to be represented by 3 blocks. Now, after removing the red marbles, there are only 35 marbles left. So, meaning to say that these 2 blocks representing the blue marbles and these 3 blocks representing the yellow marbles are equivalent to 35. Now, to get the value of each block, we have to divide the 35 by 5 to give us 7. So, meaning to say that each block represents 7 marbles. So, how many red marbles were in the bag? Since there are 4 blocks representing the red marbles and each block represents 7 marbles. So to get the total number of red marbles, we have to multiply 4 blocks times 7 marbles per block to give us 28 marbles. So meaning to say that there were 28 red marbles in the bag. Let's proceed to sample problem number 2. The ratio of red to blue marbles in a bag is 2:3. After adding 5 red marbles and removing 5 blue marbles, the ratio becomes 1:1. How many red marbles and blue marbles were in the bag? First is for us to represent the ratio of red to blue marbles before adding and removing some marbles. At first, the ratio was 2:3. The 2 blocks to represent the red marbles and the 3 blocks to represent the blue marbles. After that, 5 marbles were added to red marbles and 5 marbles were added to blue marbles, and the ratio becomes 1:1. So if the ratio is 1:1, so meaning to say the number of red marbles is equal to the number of blue marbles after adding and removing some marbles. So, if we are going to add half of the block and we are going to remove half of the block, the ratio becomes 1:1 since they have the same number of marbles representing by the same number of blocks. Meaning to say that this half of the block is equivalent to 5. So the whole block is 10. So meaning to say that before adding and subtracting some marbles, there were 20 red marbles and there were 30 blue marbles. Now, 20 is to 30 since both of them can be divided equally by 10. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. 30 divided by 10 is 3 to give us a ratio of 2:3. So, meaning to say that our answer is checked, that there were 20 red marbles and 30 blue marbles in the bag at first. So let us have sample problem number 3. The ratio of red to blue marbles in a bag is 3:4. The ratio of blue marbles to yellow marbles is 8:11. What is the ratio of red marbles to yellow marbles in the bag? First, we are going to represent our ratio. Based on the problem, the ratio of red to blue marbles in the bag is 3:4. So meaning to say that there are 3 red marbles for every 4 blue marbles. While at the same time, the ratio of blue marbles to yellow marbles is 8:11. So meaning to say that there are 8 blue marbles for every 11 yellow marbles. Now, we are going to identify the ratio of the red marbles to yellow marbles. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is to find the LCM of these blue marbles. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. If there are 8 blue marbles, meaning to say there are 6 red marbles. If there are 8 blue marbles, we know that there are 11 yellow marbles. So meaning to say that the ratio of red to yellow is 6:11. Or there are 6 red marbles for every 11 yellow marbles. So there you have it, how to solve challenging word problems involving ratio and proportion. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.